Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by checking prerequisites and initiating the cast process. Make sure the TCL Android TV is powered on and set to the right HDMI input if applicable. Confirm it runs Android and supports cast or mirrorcast. On your phone, open Wi-Fi and join the same network as the TV. Then open Quick Settings or the Google Home app. Look for cast, screencast, or wireless display. Once you see the TV listed, tap it to begin the connection handshake and wait for the TV to accept. Now you perform the more detailed steps to establish and optimize the connection. If using Google Home, open the app, select the TCL device tile, then choose Cast My Screen and start casting. Grant permissions when prompted. Alternatively, pull down Quick Settings, tap Screencast or Smart View, and choose the TV. Make sure to set orientation and app permissions so media and notifications behave as expected. If you need audio through TV, adjust your phone and TV volume. If lag appears, try low. To finish, you end the session and handle common issues. When done, stop casting from your phone or Google Home. You can also disconnect from the TV interface. If you notice lag or stuttering, move devices closer to the router, switch to 5 GHz and close bandwidth-heavy apps. This reduces packet loss and latency. If the TV never appears, reboot the TV, router, and phone, check for system updates, and re-enable wireless display in settings, one common fix that restores discovery quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.